Ganon? Hindi, balik ka na doon. Hindi, ibig sabihin Hi everyone! So ngayon, ipapakita namin sa inyo kung paano i-design ng infinity dress. Right now, marami kaming time. Naka-quarantine ang Rizal. So, we really apologize sa mga nag-place ng order. There will be some slight delays with the delivery kasi nga, nagkaroon ng mga lockdowns. But don't you worry guys, isi-ship namin yan agad once okay na lahat. And back to normal na ang mga services. So, as of this time, if you want, you can be ready with the knowledge on how to use the infinity dresses. So we will show it to you guys. Have fun watching!